test stream. Trying to see if this thing working. Let's see. Hello? We live, yo. Alright, so let's get to it, man. Your boy back. I'm back rubbing my hands like Bird, man. It's your boy Tim. And I might man fuck intro. I'm just in this bitch. I'm enjoying life. But yeah, so I know it's been a while, y'all. Had to get some stuff together, but I'm gonna be trying to go live like when I got updates for y'all. But yeah, your boy is a bus driver now. It's it's a cool little job. I just don't like how I gotta get up stupid early in the morning. Like it's no consistency with the job or whatever. And but yeah, like I ain't gonna complain too much about it. I'm just glad I'm able to pay my bills and all that shit. But so yeah, I've been like easing my way back into trading and all that. Um, I had started a competition account, a little competition account with on Funded Next or whatever. I was doing all right, man, but it got to a point where I was just like, fuck it, cause I was in 2,800 place out of 60,000 something people. But the thing is, like, the money that you make, you don't get to keep it. So I just started like trying to do like something like real risky, and then I forgot that they had a daily drawdown to it, and so I had over leveraged, blew the account. It was whatever. But so yeah, I'm a bus driver now, so your boy got a little extra money on the side, so we back investing in this crypto. So I got a bunch of little plays that I got set up. I'm gonna go on and get into all of them with y'all. Make that max. So yeah, Bitcoin is currently setting is this fresh yearly highs? Yeah, this is fresh yearly highs. It's the highest price it's been all year. We're at 32,000. We just went past July's high, so that's kind of good. But we also get into this fair value gap, man, which could be it could not be a good thing, you know. So like when we come into gaps and stuff, like uh so like whatever direction that the gap was made in, like it tends to go back into that direction. Like if you look at this gap, we came like you could barely see it, but it came into this gap and it went from 48,000 all the way down to 15,000. So that's kind of like how gaps work. And once we got down there, we went from gap to gap. We went from up here gap at 48,000 down to gap at gap at 16,000, and it started reversing. But yeah, so Bitcoin's been Bitcoin is doing good right now, but I couldn't find a way to get into Bitcoin. Like I was trying to look for one, cause like I like just got back into trading and stuff like on like Friday. That's when I started like trying to look for stuff. But yeah, so I'm trying to look at my alerts. It's not telling me which. So it'll tell me on my phone, but for some reason it ain't telling me on here. But I guess I could go to my alerts right there. Okay, we got one on Soul. Oh, I guess that's the only alert that I got. That's weird. Um, yeah, that is weird. But so I'm gonna just get into my the trade that I'm in right now, yo. I'm gonna just go over my reasoning and logic for it. You know, yeah, yeah, turn up Doge, yeah, you see it. That was crazy. That was crazy. But you know, man, I owe Doge everything for getting me into this space in the first place. You know, I lost a lot of money messing around with Doge, but that was because I didn't know what I was doing. I really could have made a whole lot though. Like I made like I was up 5x on a five figure account. You do the math. But yeah. So we back. I didn't get into those like I didn't get into this trade based off of emotion or whatever. Like I was just analyzing and I seen that this was it. Well, it was the only one that I was able to get in like now. Like Soul, I'm waiting on the well, I'm gonna just finish talking about those first. So yeah, let's get into it. We'll move all this extra stuff out the way. If I need to put it back, I'll put it back. But yeah, so we on the weekly, man. So basically, we had this low right here that we ran recently, and it got reclaimed. Oh, actually, is right. Come on, move. It's right there. So we ran that low and we SFP. SFP meaning that we went below this low, which was 59.19. We went below that low and we didn't close below it. And then the next candle we closed above it. So that's your long signal right there. So once that happens, you can start developing, or you can start trying to go long, which means to buy. Man, this shit is pumping, man. I love it. I love to see it. Yes, sir. Dang, dang, Bitcoin going crazy. Wow. But yeah, let's get back to focusing on this Doge, yo. So this is so weekly we close above it, bam. And this was a Monday. Nah, yeah, this candle closed on Sunday. It closed yesterday. Yeah. So I was like, all right. So that was my confirmation that the SFP was in. Man, this shit is going, bro. It is going. Oh shit. This is my confirmation, and once I got my confirmation, I was like, let me see. Can I enter at the open of this candle? Oh shit, that's big as hell. Why is that so big? Can I open at the close of that candle, set my stop below that, and then aim for the next high? Is that what I want to do? Yeah. And so this is what the next high was. Yeah, that's what the next high was. And that was a one point. That it wasn't a 2-to-1 ratio. I needed at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Meaning that you would lose, like if you were to lose, you would lose one, but if you were to win, you would lose double of what you would have lost. And this is how you stay profitable when trading. So all of my trade ideas, like they gotta have at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. If it's not 1 to 2, I'm not even gonna take it. Cause if it's 1 to 2, like you only gotta win like 30% of the time to even come out profitable. And as long as we making money, we good. So yeah, I was like cause I wanted to trade this with leverage, and I was like yeah, this isn't a good risk to reward ratio. So what I did was, cause I entered this trade today, I think. Yeah, I think I entered it today. Uh, so what I wanted to do was, I was looking at this on a 12 hour. So I was looking at it on the 12 hour, right? This is the candle that I seen. It closed above these highs back here. And so what I wanted to do was, well, first let me show y'all the order block, cause this is how this works. So an order block is an up candle before a down move that breaks market structure. And so that's this one right here. And so that's an order block. And this would be a bearish order block, meaning that if price comes back up into here, it's likely to go down. But since I seen that we closed above this, it flipped. Well, let me make this red because if it, at first, like we would be looking for this to go down. But with all of the high time frame buys that we have going on, do we have monthly? Yeah, I guess you could say we have monthly buys because we just had set a well. I don't know if that point we had monthly, but on the weekly, I just discussed this. We had an SFP with the confirmation going in, so we should have been looking for something to go long. On the daily, we've been setting higher highs and higher lows since October 12th. So that's been for like the last 10 or so days now. Um, and yeah, so higher highs, higher lows. So we want to look to go long. So when it came up into this, I wasn't even looking to go short, especially with Bitcoin. Like it had already started pumping a lot. Like yesterday, like Bitcoin had already done broke out already. So um, man, it hit 35,000. Wow, that's nice. That works perfectly with my plan. Um, so yeah, I was like, yeah. So what we gonna? I was like, so what we gonna do is, so the opposite of an order block is a breaker, and is basically, so it's basically, so if an order block, a bearish order block, meaning a order block that you want to sell off of, if it comes back into that, you're expecting price to go down. But if you flip that, it's called a breaker. And breaker is when the price closes on top of an order block. And so what you want to do is to try to get into a trade is you want to enter within that old order block. It will now be called a breaker. And so your entry would be at the top of the breaker, and your stop loss would be set at the bottom. So as you can see, I almost got stopped out, but the thing is, I was only risking 10% of my account. So even if I would have lost this trade, I would have still had 9 other attempts to get something right. And as long as you're doing 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, you're gonna come out on top. So yeah, man. So that's that. So let me turn this back green because that's why I bought it. And yeah, so that's why I bought it on the 12 hour. And what I was doing was I was looking at the 1 hour on the lower time frame just to see what the market structure was looking like once we had passed. Cause this is the one. Well, like one of these are. Wait, let me see. 4 hour. Yeah. So whichever one closed at 65.43. 65.43. Is that this one? No. So it was this one. So this was the close of the 12-hour candle, and since then, uh, we was a little bearish or whatever, but we had put a swing low in, and then we set a new high. Well, we put in it was a higher low, but then I was actually already in the trade at this point. Like I was cool or whatever. And then this candle ran that low, so we SFP'd again. Let me put this line right there so y'all see what I'm talking about. So we came below 63.38, and we didn't close below it, and we actually spiked up pretty hard off of it. So that was a good sign to hold my trade. Now, see, if we would have closed below, I probably would have got out early just to save my you know save some of my money that could possibly be lost. Now, so yeah, that's my entry. That was my exit. Well, no, that was my entry and my stop loss. So let me do it again for y'all, cause it looks like I lost. Well, let me why do they keep printing these so big? Um, so let me show y'all. So bam, up candle. Oh wait. So this is my entry was actually like 64.20. Um, Stop was 62.88, I believe. That's what it should have been. 63.21. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was looking at the wrong thing. Okay, yeah, boom. 62.88. And so I got an alert. Well, I should have an alert. I don't know why it's not here. Let me set it. I'm gonna set another one. So I got an alert. So I'm targeting this high, and that already is a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. But I since Bitcoin is pumping pretty good. I'm gonna play up into this fair value gap up into here. Um, but I'm gonna take off 25% at this high, and up there I'm gonna be mostly out of my position. And I wanna say let's check my Femix. So yeah, I'm up $185, which is what percent? I'm up 37%. Cause I put $500. Well, I used $500 worth of margin on this trade, and I'm risking. Why does it not say? Yeah, yeah. So I'm actually risking 20% and 20% to get 109%. So I'm risking $100 to make $500. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna just let this run. I'm gonna let it do its thing, you know. And if y'all got something, if y'all trying to get into this trade, I probably can show y'all something where y'all can still get in. 12 hour ain't gonna work for y'all though. It would have to be something on the 1 hour. So it might be possible for y'all to get in. Um, so we're gonna do up candle before a down move that breaks market structure. So this is actually a breaker right here. See, this is the up candle, a green candle, right there. I don't know, low key, that one might already got touched. Uh, mm maybe, but yeah, if it comes back down to point 0.06465, I don't know. Y'all, I'm already in the trade, so you know it might be kind of too late. But one that's really been oh shit, one that's really been interesting to me is this one. XLM looks really good, and let me show y'all. So XLM has been bullish all this year actually. It's been setting higher highs, higher lows. It had that big spike in July, and so yeah, there's actually a and see this is an order block. So this is an order block. And then on top of this order block, like it was looking so good to me. I wanted to take it, but I couldn't really find anything to get in. So I couldn't find anything reasonable where I would have a nice little risk to reward ratio for it. So so yeah, that's an order block. Entry at point 10.9 and stop at 0.095. But see, the thing is though, if I were to do that, close that. So if I were to do this and to do that, that's 13%. I'm trading on 10x leverage. I would lose all my money if it were to go, you know, bad. But but the upside is huge though, man. You talking about a 80%? That's a 8x. If I put $100 into that, that's $800 on 10x leverage. But if you put $100 into that, you know, get stopped out. But yeah, I've been wanting to catch Soul, cause Soul looks pretty good too. You know, higher highs, higher lows for basically all the 2023 so far, and we just broke resistance. But yeah, it's like they done already hit a TP level, so yeah, probably missed that one. But as you can see, I had my lows already laid out. I got a thing on there, weekly breaker, and I think I had something down to the yeah. Like if it ever came back down into this, like I'm for sure buying. I put half of my account to the side because I'm starting off with $1,000 in start off with $1,000 in what you call it, $1,000 total in crypto. I got 500 sitting on the side right now, and I got 500 into Doge. It was the one where I was actually able to get into something before it started taking off. But yeah, I think that's it for me from the crypto side of things. Like it's other ones on here too, man. But I'll just let y'all know about them ones. Cause it really look like everything is trying to take off right now and not even come back for anybody. Which is cool, cause I'm into something. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. 221. We up. We up. Yeah, I wanted to get Tron. I wanted to get Tron at this fair value gap. I wanted to get it because this was the fair value gap that was below 50% of that move. But yeah, not this ain't looking likely. Let me see the weekly on Tron. But since we done broke up, might have to cause the upside to Tron is looking crazy, man. They don't even have any they don't even have any fair value gaps to even worry about. 48%, 2%. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. But yeah. So Tron was another one. Shit, I might. Yeah, I'm gonna actually try to do that. Let me delete all this. Don't need to look at any more of this nonsense. And so yeah, I'm gonna try to get into Tron. If it ever comes back down into this level, weekly breaker. That actually look kind of big. That's a big 8%, 6%. That ain't bad. That's not bad, y'all. That is not bad. 6% and aim for. I actually could have got that though, but if it ever did back it down into it, I'm gonna definitely take it. That's a 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio. That is delicious right there. So yeah, Tron, you ever come back down into here? I want you. I want you, baby. Set some alerts up. Make it every time so I don't miss it. And yeah, but everything else looked pretty trash though. Yeah, like Dash and all this shit, it looked terrible. We ain't have no SFPs. Stuff was making new lows. This one made an SFP, but like the next level up from this, like I ain't even about to go through all of this, bro, cause a lot of these coins looking like trash. But Doge, I want to say XRP. Yeah, I didn't take XRP because of that gap. I didn't like how close that was, cause I want my TP to like really be something nice, and we could really struggle in this fair value gap right here. Um, but actually, since it done well, Yeah, this will actually be a. I would be probably be looking to get into XRP next week. If we close on top of these highs right here, on top of 54 cents, I'm gonna be looking to get long on XRP, and I'm gonna be targeting that dollar, boy. Best believe it. Well, actually, nah. I would have to be targeting 0.66. But yeah, that's about it, man. I think the stream been long enough. A little 25 minute, a little something, something. Start the start my thing in the trading back off right. And this real money, y'all. This ain't no funded account. This is my own funds. Um, but yeah, but yeah, your boy a bus driver. You know, the money ain't too bad. Ain't too bad. It's actually the most I've ever been paid in my life. Like when I put that into perspective, it's the most I've been paid in my life. So from a job, anyways. And yeah, it's just hard trying to make it to work, man. It is hard. Cause I ain't got no whip, so I got a Uber sometimes, and they be wanting me to come in at 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. And the Ubers around that time they be canceling on you, bro. They be acting funny, and they be coming from all types of places and shit. And I'll be like, bro, you gotta hurry up and get here, cause I'm about to be late to work. Like almost every day, I make it with like I either make it there the minute I'm supposed to be there, and you can't be a minute late. You're a minute late, they gonna get somebody to cover your whole shift for you. I haven't been a minute late yet, but I be cutting it pretty close. I actually done missed 2 days already. So I'm down -3. Well, I'm down -6 on my points. They give you 17 points for 4 quarters. So and I plan on going home for Thanksgiving. Ooh, I actually gotta put that time. I didn't realize it was about to be the end of October already. Yeah, I'm gonna try to let them know that I'm not gonna be there, so I don't get no points off. But if not, I'm still gonna take off anyways. They can say no, they can say whatever, but I ain't gonna be there. I'm going home for Thanksgiving. I'm going to give me some gumbo. Give me some gumbo, some ooh. Shit, I'm actually making myself hungry, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get off this thing. I actually don't even know how to turn this off. I guess I just press stop streaming or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all posted. If I see any more trades or once my Doge hits my TP, probably make a little short, quick video about it. And yeah, all right, peace. Talk to y'all later, man. Y'all got any questions? Hit your boy up in the comment section. All right, peace.